I'm back again making a new video. So in this video we are going to be, like always, going to the gym, and then in like 8 days, no, hold on, yeah, about 8 days, I'm gonna have my birthday. I'm turning 19. We're gonna do something on my birthday. I don't know what yet, but my girlfriend's gonna be coming here, and my friends. So we'll see what we're gonna do. I'll update you guys when I know more. So I guess I'll see you next time in the gym, and after that I'll tell you more about the plans that I have for my birthday. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we're on a mission to fix my car. We need to get some gas, fill my car up. We have 2 bottles of 1.5 liters. We're gonna put it in the car and see if that bass start up. Just open this thing up. The spray that it works. There's like 3 liters and there's 1.5 inside. That should be like 4.5. So if that ain't enough, then the car is a gold digger. The car is a gold digger. Fill that motherfucker up. Second one. I'll take the these. There goes. This should work. That should be enough.
Waiting for pairing. Pad.
It does work.
To live both lives, always feeling dead inside. I could try and tell you a lie. You're like the supernatural disguise. You're an angel that fell right from the skies. You could try and tell me lies. You know I'm next in line, I'm tired of wasting my time. Can't help myself, I'm done with waiting the line. You're living all in my mind, and I really can't help myself. Global warming ain't working, my feet still cold. Making moves since 3 years old. Fucking up since I was born. Give them my command, crazy love. Bad shot as you wanting more. Smell good, it's the shit of your all this makes so on me. Got me feeling venomous. Man, I hate to love you, this the start of where we've been with this. Can't be so the wrong unless you praying, driving, Lord Jesus. Got me too excited, see me fighting off on bleach. Cause you know I'm next in line, I'm tired of wasting my time. You know I really can't help myself, I'm done with waiting the line. You're living all in my mind, and I really can't help myself. I try to live both lives, always feeling dead inside. I could try and tell you a lie. No, I'm next in line, I'm tired of wasting my time.
Alright, you guys. So I have my birthday. In 2 days. I'm gonna have the party thing tomorrow. I bought flowers because Me and my girlfriend are going to go in a hotel room. We're gonna I bought the hotel room. We have it for one night, so we are gonna go there tomorrow. I'm gonna put a flower path onto the bed, right? And then there's gonna be candles. I'm gonna light up some candles. So it's gonna be romantical, you know what I'm saying? It'll be romantic. So I have this one, the flowers. So my birthday's over. I'm currently watching some Annabelle. I just finished helping my homeboys make a music video. I can put a couple of clips of that here soon. But basically, my birthday, it went fine. We were at my homie's place, and there were some homies, more homies, and homies. And then we went to a bar. And then I went to the hotel with my girlfriend. She liked the heart. The heart was low-key fucked up. I don't know how to make a heart. That's the thing. I don't know how to make a heart. I do know how to make a heart, but I don't know how to make a heart out of roses. That's the thing. But she liked it, either way. So, yeah, we were in the hotel. We slept. You know, we woke up. We went to McDonald's. We had some food. Then we went home. I don't know. We just did stuff, bro. We were human beings. Let me be, bro. I don't know. You know, we did shit, yeah. But okay, I'm gonna start putting Clash Royale gameplay to my YouTube videos because I know the yapping parts are mad boring, right? I know this one, I know. So I'm just gonna put on some Clash Royale gameplay for you guys so you can like watch something while you're watching me yap. There may be some wolves.
There may be some big booty Latinos over there. There may be some. No, over there.
Wasn't it about music duty? Oh, you got some problems.